Blinds look simple, the engineering behind them isn't. At Blind Designs, we make use of Louvolite hardware systems made to exacting standards in the United Kingdom. The Louvolite chain control mechanism makes use of glass-filled nylon for the housing, an acetyl sprocket and guard, and a precisely balanced locking spring. Louvolite chain control mechanisms are manufactured to the strictest tolerances and are 10-year life cycle tested to ensure long-lasting performance. The chain controls are available in 5 colors with either matching plastic chain or stainless steel chain to match your decor. Your blinds are only as good as the hardware you don't get to see. Design, durability, and manufacturing are the backbone of what makes these products so great and what makes them so quiet in their daily operation. So let's take a look at how Louvolite manufactures their roller blind control systems so consistently.